Honestly, I don't really know how to start this video. Haven't made one in a while, and I haven't made one on my own, like a proper video, in a long time, because I've been busy, moving, going back to uni, busy with work, and going through a lot. I just haven't had the time to like make a video or edit videos, so I guess I don't know how to start it. Just hi. Today's video is one I've been putting off for a while. That makes it sound so dramatic. It's a wig review, basically. This isn't the review. The review is going to be a separate video, I think. Maybe this is the review, because I thought I'd do something a bit more interesting than just here's the wig, here's the review, blah blah blah. I thought I would show you the wig and make a look based around the wig. So it was Everyday Wigs there who's sent me this one. I'm going to look at the wig and then let it inspire a look. So here's the packaging first of all. Good packaging and all that. Also, I don't know if I'm keeping the makeup. I don't know if I'm going to be speaking when I'm doing makeup or not, because I've got Angel coming over and we're both going to be getting ready here. So I don't know if I'm going to want to film a video while we're doing that. So I might get ready in silence, in which case you'll be able to just go through a quick thing of me getting ready. Or I might talk through it, who knows. So, I'm just taking it out of the box, and here it is. It is a, it looks very silver on camera, but it's like a silvery, ashy, platinum blonde. It's very blonde, very, very light. But honestly, it just looks silver now. When I first... Very, very ashy blonde. Compared to my hair. Makes my hair look yellow. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate the makeup that I wore for my 23rd birthday. I nearly said 21st, which is really confusing because on the night I went out with an 18 badge. We all had a joint birthday night out and we all wore 18 badges just to be annoying, and those people were coming up to me and they were saying, sorry if the background noise is really annoying, I'll close the window soon. Everyone was so confused, they were like, oh, as if you're only 18? And I was like, you know me, I've been working in this club for a year. So it was my 23rd birthday, night out, and what I did was I wore like this blonde hair with like just a simple black smoky eye, and the rest of it was all very fishy and natural, and I felt, honestly, the best I'd ever looked. I never filmed it that day, which I'm really annoyed about because I looked so good. We're going to recreate it today and wear this hair because I think that hair's going to go very well with the look. I'm going to start by gluing my eyebrows down and all that, so that's going to take a minute. And then I think Angel's going to be due here soon, so let's just get on with the makeup. Start as ever by gluing the brows down, and that's going to take a minute. Oh, she says she's here. Yobby.
Oh, she's arrived.
She's...
Is that the clues?
I can't decide if I should try and film like a get ready with me kind of video, or... Honestly, I didn't know that was a wig.
She has 26 inches.
Oh no.
Little leather boots, they're done.
Oh, aren't they? They make a little clip.
Primer!
It's going to be a bad brow cover day.
I don't know, like a way to start. This will be quite interesting to watch. You're not going to see most of my face.
Yeah. Oh, fully, yeah,
like,
same.
fully, I was like licking the back of his tonsils and everything. I was
like that with this one guy, and then fully like put... Yes, God. I'm embarrassed of you, and you've got hippies.
Yeah, that's... I hate you so much, you just know what I'm saying. Imagine if this whole conversation's been recorded.
Twice.
Believe it or not, I'm still going through. She's going through the transition. Like,
this one overcompensates.
Yeah.
Dude, I've got a little silver moment and then a brown hair. So I'll do that when I get back, I guess.
And she's joining the party.
This is disgusting. Be like, oh my god, Angel and I are finally working a shift together.
Stop it now.
I'm a woman behind this, mate.
Yeah. I feel like yeah. No. Should be right then.
you saw in the video, me and Angel got ready here, and then we left. And I went to work to like see her off to work, I guess. And I was like, you know what? I'm in drag, I may as well go along and say hi. I'm not going to stay out because I'm not in full drag and I'm not being paid, so I'm not going to stay out. I don't like nights out. I have videos to film, 3 or 4 reviews in total to film, and I thought, finally, I've been saying all week I'm going to film this, and I've not been doing it, and I've been hating myself for not getting around to doing it and just procrastinating. So I thought, today is the day. So then we left at maybe like, what, not even 1 PM, like midnight. It's now 8:20 in the morning, Sunday morning, and I've literally just got in. Oops. I meet loads of people that I know, find loads of people. Didn't spend a penny. I will say that. I'm not just wasting my money on nights out. I did not spend 1 single penny tonight. People buy drinks for me. I didn't even drink that much. At the end of the night, I threw up. My sick was dark turquoise. To be fair, considering the amount of fun I was having, I didn't look that bad. And I can't not film these reviews because the whole reason I got ready in the first place was so I could film these reviews. My skin looks dreadful. I look really like dry and full of texture. Okay. So, today's wig is from Everyday Wigs. They sent me this to review, and I thought that actually it'd be fun to do a video, not just a dedicated review, but more of a kind of letting the wig inspire how I look kind of video. So I thought this kind of, it's like an ashy blonde silver wig as we saw when I first opened it, and I thought that would go well with this kind of very fishy, minimal kind of just woman makeup, but then with a smoky eye. So the focus is all on the eye. So the eyebrows are light, the lips are light, the face structure is there, but I just look woman. It's just a black smoky eye, honestly, that goes quite far, and then I put some silver glitter on top of it, and it looks lovely. I hope you enjoyed the little whatever I did of me getting ready. Now on to seeing how the wig actually goes with this look. First things first, I need to put my actual hair in a wig cap, so I'm going to do that before I add one right in front of me. It is gone. So you see, I don't bother putting it in a kind of bun or ponytail or anything. I literally just let the wig cap kind of collect it all, pinning it in place to make sure it doesn't move away. So now I'm going to try on the wig. Right now it doesn't look as silver as it looked before. It just kind of looks like a very silver blonde. It really depends what colours are around it and what you're comparing it to. It's a lovely colour though, definitely a ashy blonde. So I'm going to try it on first without cutting the lace. Okay, it's on, but man is it tight. That's good though. I feel like it makes it feel really secure. I look old because my makeup's gone so rubbish. But this was the colour I picked out, and I think it's really cool. It's like a really trendy, modern, silvery, ashy blonde, and I really appreciate that it's all pushed back off the face. That makes it so easy for styling. I can put a part in the side, which I think I'm obviously going to do. I'm going to just play around with it a little bit more. So I like to have them parted pretty much just above my left eyebrow, back behind my ear, which you can do because it's a lace front. Just telling you right now, it feels lovely. Oh, this is a really nice wig. It is kind of tight, but maybe that'll change once I cut the lace off. I'm going to cut the lace like most people do when they're reviewing a wig, which is they leave like 1/4 of an inch of lace, which I like to leave a bit of lace because it's no secret that we're wearing lace fronts, so I like to leave a little bit. But then I also do like to cut really close to the hair. I will say, as I'm cutting this, I'm watching the hairline. The hairline on this is incredibly natural. This is a really sparse, natural, hand-done looking hairline. This is incredible. Wow, I'm impressed by this. I didn't notice it when it was on my head at first, but I'm going to keep an eye out for that now. The colour looks really natural. I'm sure there's different tones throughout the wig to make it not just look flat, but it's very consistent. Here's the wig. It comes with 3 combs, which I'm very happy about. I like the side combs, but more importantly there's this front comb here. I really like that because it means I can pin it into the front and I'm not going to worry about it moving so much. I don't know if you can tell, but there are also it's kind of normal with wigs now, but there's a lot of tracks and also a whole lot of hair. There's a lot of hair here, like just... There is that tightness issue. It is pretty tight on my head. I almost want to say it very nearly doesn't fit, but it just about fits. I've got a lot of hair and I have a big head. It's looking pretty undetectable. The hairline looks really kind of realistic and nice. This is gorgeous. I cannot complain about the colour. This is so nice. It really suits this kind of makeup look as well, with the lack of colour and then the black smoky eye. I feel like this ashy silvery blonde was definitely the right way to go. And what an interesting colour for a wig. And it's a lace front, so that means you can wear it back if you want, and it looks like it's growing out of your head. Also, yes, there is a code. As usual, whenever I do a wig review, there's always some sort of discount code. So if you use the code AVA10 for a discount, that's AVA10. Get yourself a wig like this. Go on. So I'd like to know, what do you think? Do you think that this wig goes well with this look? Do you think this was a good idea? Would you like to see kind of more videos like this where I let the wig inspire this look? And do you want to see more wig reviews? Because I always get offered to do reviews, and while I do not mind being a review channel, I did not set out to be a review channel. I set out to be a tutorial channel and like a makeup channel. I don't know how many of you are interested in watching me review wigs and say, this is good, this is bad, this is this, this is this. So please let me know in the comments. And also with the videos, like them if you like them, or if you don't like them, maybe leave a dislike. I'd rather you don't, but if you have to, you have to. I can look at the numbers then, and it does help me know these things. Use the code AVA10. I'm really happy with it. I will say it is so tight. I mean, also you guys, I am dealing with a sinus infection right now, so I feel like behind my left eye and in my brain is just like constantly pulsing with pain. It's a horrible feeling. It happens every time I get up or sit down, or the blood pressure in my head just changes. It's not good, not nice. That may or may not contribute to my final opinion. Also, I think this look as a whole, pretty good. So yes, I will say that I approve this wig. It's approved by me. This company, great. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry that I'm a mess. Please, 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 please use the code. Oh my god. Oh, wow. It's good. Tracks. Healthy. Heat resistant. Good colours. They have a lot of colour. It looks just like the picture. Okay. I hope you like this makeup look. I hope you like this whole birthday makeup thing. Let me know if you think it worked. I honestly think it's worked really well, and I look so fish. If I had hair on anyway. Subscribe for any future videos. Ring the bell so you get notified, so you definitely see my new videos. Check out my old videos on my channel. I have a long list of different things I do on my channel, but it's all kind of in the same vein because it's all me. And also check out my social media. Yeah, alright, thanks. Bye.